Hi crafters, welcome to the channel, or if you've been here before, welcome back. I'm happy to have you. Whether you quilt, knit, or crochet, if you're anything like me, you're always on the lookout for that perfect pillow insert to bring your handmade pillow covers to life. Today, in this video, I'm reviewing a pillow insert I picked up from Amazon that claims to be soft, have great spring back, and medium support. Just right for DIY home decor. Is it the squishy, dreamy insert we've all been searching for, or just another flop? Let's find out. Hello everyone. This is a bit of a sit-down video today. So this is my wedding blanket collection. I've got the blanket, one of my most popular patterns, and of course the coordinating pillow, which I've already started to pull out because I'll tell you why. I have a deep dislike for the pillow insert. It's from a craft store. I think it looked like it was a polyfill insert, and it's so unpleasant. You know, we spend all this time working on our stitches to make a beautiful pillow of whatever pillow you're making, or even if you're knitting, if you're doing quilting, any kind of handmade pillow cover. And I don't know about you, but I didn't really think about the insert. Now, of course, decorative pillows do not get the wear and tear of, like our bed pillows that our heads are on and we're sleeping on. But if it's going to be on living spaces, you might lean up against it now and again, and when you feel it, like this one, it feels itchy, it feels stiff, crunchy. I don't like it, so I'm going to replace it, but I'm currently working on another collection, which will be a blanket and pillow set. So I wanted to explore some other options, and I found some on Amazon I wanted to give a try, and I want to open it up with you and see if it's better. It's the same price point of what I paid for the one that I just showed you. Let me move my blanket. All right. So this is a set of two. It was at the time of purchase $12.99, and this is the 18-inch square size, sold as a set. And I'm talking to you now, May of 2025. So the price, I don't know if it'll change or not. So it's shrink wrapped. You see how small this is? This is the 18-inch two pillows. So I'm going to have to let them open up a bit, no doubt. By the time I finish stitching up my pattern, it's almost done. So if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I've got a really cool looking set coming you may be interested in. All right, I need scissors for this. I'll be right back. All right. Let's see, I'm gonna stand back and make sure my cats are not nearby. I don't know what's going to happen when I open this. Seems like they're wrapped in plastic within the plastic. Well, it feels softer already, I'll tell you that. But will it also have enough shape? It can be soft, but we need shape to fill out our cover. Now this feels kind of like a bed pillow. So it's not fluffy and dense like the crafter pillow. I can already tell that. And I don't think it's going to expand much more. Now these are washable. Let me see. it will take a warm or hot wash, which is nice for disinfecting, and then a tumble dry cool. That may be what I have to do to give it a little more fluff, but also when we're making our cases, it's generally best practices to go up to 2 inches smaller on all sides so that you get that really nice full look. And of course I'm doing that with my current pattern, so just keep that in mind if you've never made a pillowcase or a decorative case. So if you're doing, cute Christmas pillows, Halloween pillows, spring pillows, a monogram, boho, whatever kind of design you're making. If you're quilting, you want it. So for this being an 18-inch square, I would make kind of a 16-inch or thereabout square. And then when you're pulling it to seam it, it should really like come down tight, and that's going to make your pillow be more voluminous looking instead of looking, sad and flat. So once I get this stitched together with my new cover, I'll give you a final opinion on them to see if the kind of softness, I will say, I want to say flat, but it's much softer. This will be much nicer to lean against. And, for the price, I don't know that I'm expecting a huge, luxurious, densely packed pillow. You're probably going to have to spend twice this for just one, like $20 or so. But these are the ones I got, so I wanted to give them an initial look-see and see if this might be a nicer option for us. So it's been 24 hours. I used the other insert for my new design, which I'm not going to show you that yet, but these have not fluffed up more than when I first opened them. So my final thoughts on this particular one, they meet my criteria of being soft, which is what I wanted. I forgot about them looking fluffy. So even with my pillow cover pattern being 2 inches smaller than the 18-inch size that this is, it still looks a little flat. It's not awful, but I would go all the way up to the 20-inch. This comes in a 20-inch. I would use that. So I don't not recommend these. I just recommend ordering them smartly because they are a good value, but I guess in a lot of cases you get what you pay for. So I really would like to hear from you if you have found a pillow insert that you do like, that it's soft, because I don't care what your style is. I kind of classify how I like to design my crochet designs as sophisticated, but even if you're someone that likes maybe a more simple, more rustic, or like a whimsical design, I don't care what your style is. Nobody asked for a flat or a scratchy pillow, right? We all want, not even the dog, my cat, they don't want a scratchy pillow to sit on or lay on. So I would like to hear if you know of a soft yet fulsome pillow that's a reasonable price, because I am open to trying another brand when I do another pillow design. But absolutely, I'm going to make these work. I'm all about using what you have and making it work. But these softness, yes, you get an A. Fluffiness, C. So that's my thoughts on these, and I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. And again, a reminder, I have a new design, a home collection coming soon. It will launch here on the channel and in my newsletter, so subscribe to one or both so that you can be a part of it. And I will see you in the next video.